Yo guys, it's me Lorette, and today I'm going to be unboxing this gold Rubik's Mirror Cube. So let's just start unboxing it. So here it is. It's turn quality. It is pretty amazing. Yeah, that's another cube added to my collection. This one is kind of different from all the others because it shape shifts like that. Beat your own cube is like, hey, you broke it, I'm telling you. So then you just like, oh, you fixed it, cool. And it's been my brother's birthday today. He got this and all sorts of cool things. So write down in the comments below, happy birthday. And yeah, that's about it. Just quickly show you the box. It's just pretty cool. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.